Have you ever stopped and wondered, what if nothing in the universe is truly silent? What if everything around us, the air, the stars, even the tiniest atoms, is constantly in motion, following a perfect order? Today, we are exploring a beautiful idea found in the Quran and how modern science surprisingly gives us something to think about. Over 1400 years ago, the Quran said, "The seven heavens and the earth and whatever is in them glorify Him. There is not a thing except that it glorifies Allah, but you do not understand their glorification." Quran 17:44. This verse tells us that everything in creation praises Allah, even if we cannot hear or understand it. Now, let's look at what science says. For a long time, people believed atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything, were solid and still. But quantum physics revealed something shocking. Nothing is truly still. Every atom is constantly moving. Electrons vibrate. Energy flows. Tiny particles behave like waves. In simple words, the entire universe is buzzing with motion. Scientists have discovered that these vibrations happen at specific frequencies. While we cannot hear them naturally, researchers can convert some of these frequencies into sounds using technology. Imagine that, a universe filled with invisible rhythms. Now, science does not say atoms are literally praying. Prayer is something we understand in a human way. But think about this. Everything in the universe perfectly follows the laws set for it. The sun rises without fail. Gravity never forgets its job. Your heart beats without you commanding it. It is constant obedience. Quran beautifully points toward this reality again. Do you not see that Allah is glorified by whoever is in the heavens and the earth, and the birds with wings spread? Each knows its prayer and glorification. Quran 24:41. And then comes a powerful reminder. But you do not understand their way of glorifying. Maybe their prayer is not with words. Maybe it is through their perfect order, their motion, their existence. Think about your own body. Trillions of atoms are working right now to keep you alive, and you are not even aware of it. If those atoms stopped moving for even a moment, matter itself would collapse. Everything depends on this constant activity. SubhanAllah. Glory be to Allah. The universe is alive with movement. Another amazing verse says, "Then he directed himself to the heaven while it was smoke, and said to it and to the earth, 'Come willingly or unwillingly.' They said, 'We have come willingly.'" Quran 41:11. The universe responds in submission, not with speech, but through action, through order, through balance, through laws that never break. And the deeper scientists look into reality, the more mysterious it becomes. Did you know that atoms are mostly empty space? If you remove the empty space from your body, you would become smaller than a grain of sand. Yet somehow, from this emptiness comes life, comes thought, comes emotion, comes you. Science helps us understand how the universe works. Faith helps many people understand why it exists. They do not always have to clash. Sometimes they simply invite us to reflect. So the next time you step outside, look at the sky, feel the wind, notice your heartbeat. Remember, you are part of a universe that is constantly moving, perfectly balanced, and filled with science waiting to be noticed. Maybe nothing in creation is truly silent. Maybe we just haven't learned how to listen. If this made you think, take a quiet moment today and reflect on the incredible universe Allah created. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves both science and reflection. See you in the next video.